Hey everybody, I'm Dave. Welcome to Quickie Reviews. Today we're going to take a look at the OLIGHT Arkfeld flat flashlight / green laser. I may or may not have been accused of having a little bit of a flashlight fetish. These are about half the flashlights I own. But let's be real, there are worse things I could be buying with my money. You can get the Arkfeld in black, blue, tan, green, olive, orange, or gray. You also have a choice of either neutral white or cool white. I bought the neutral white one, although if I had to do it over again, I'd probably go with the cool white. Normally I don't do unboxing videos because I have no patience and I just open things right away, but today is an exception. I withheld my excitement and I'll show you the unboxing of it. Spoiler alert, I have quite a few OLIGHT flashlights and their boxes are always really well packaged. First thing I noticed about this little guy is it feels really good in the hand. It's got some heft to it. The last 3 or 4 OLIGHTs I've bought have had this magnetic charger, which is pretty slick. I'm not sure if they've standardized it or not, but the first, I think, OLIGHT light I bought with that magnetic charger, it doesn't work with the other magnetic chargers that I bought, and they look identical, so it's hard to tell unless you actually walk up, put the flashlight on it, and see if it works. It's got reverse polarity on the magnet, so it like pushes it away from it. The Arkfeld has 3 different light intensities, low, medium, and high. Flip the metal switch to turn it over to the laser function. The back's magnetic, which would be nice if you needed to stick it somewhere and have light. When you turn it on or off, there's a little LED graph bar that tells you how much battery life is left. Press and hold when the power's already on to change the light intensity. The magnet's pretty strong. What I do like about this little pocket flashlight is that it's light enough that it will stick sideways on something metal, whereas my other OLIGHTs, yes, they're magnetic, but they're too heavy and they'll fall off. I've seen some very scientific YouTube videos on flashlight performance. This is not one of those videos, but I can show you some comparison photos with 3 different flashlights indoors and out. This Ryobi spotlight is not fair to include in the test, but we're doing it anyway. The next 2 lights in the test are OLIGHTs. This one is a 3200 lumen Seeker 2, and the last one is this 550 lumen i5T Plus. This is the only one that is not rechargeable. It uses disposable batteries. The Ryobi is designed to be a spotlight, so you can tell that by seeing past the fan, the big spot of bright white light. Here's the 3200 lumen Seeker 2 Pro, which is actually one of my top favorite, like, say, 10 lights. Here's the 550 lumen i5T Plus, which actually does a fairly decent job of illuminating this room. Last, we have the 1000 lumen Arkfeld. I don't know if you can see it, but to me it doesn't look as bright as even the 550 lumen light that I was showed in the previous picture. Maybe it's because of the color temperature, it's a little warmer. Maybe because it's more of a floodlight than it is a spotlight. I'm not sure. This is where you're going to see some muscle flex outdoor. This is the Ryobi. Here is the Seeker 2 Pro. Actually does a great job. I was honestly surprised by this i5T Plus. It flexes its muscles really well compared to the other lights. Last, we have the 1000 lumen Arkfeld. As you can see, I don't know, 1000 lumens is a pretty bold claim for this thing. Although, yes, it is a floodlight. It's a warmer temperature. But I think 1000 lumens is stretching it for this thing. But I'm going to be honest with you guys, I didn't buy it for the light, I bought it for this. Get it, Pepperpot. So what do I think? I think it's a good little light. It has cool features. I like the controls on it. No, you're not going to blind somebody halfway across the field, but as far as just a general overall pocket light or something you keep in your glove box, I really enjoy this light. Therefore, green thumbs up for the OLIGHT Arkfeld, aka the cat toy. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope this one helped. I'll see you in the next vid.